Hello there and welcome to Frankie's DIY Life. I'm Frankie. This is a channel where I just like to give things a little makeover, if you will, a little facelift, or just a little, or add a little extra something to it, just to give it a little change up. But today I've got this peach shirt right here, and I like the peach shirt. And I've got these scraps right here. This is from an old sheet, and I like it because it's the colors in it. Sort of matches these colors fairly well. But anyway, this is one piece, and this piece right here was the piece, the trim at the top, you know what I mean, the very top piece. Anyway, I cut that in two, and I ran it through my serging machine, and I just gave it a little straight serge on the bottom. And then I ran it back through again, and I tried to gather it just a tad so it wouldn't be so straight. So what I'm fixing to do is take this piece, and I am going to run it along the bottom of my hem here. And I'm just going to run it on the top side. I'm not going to put it on the underside. I'm just going to leave that raw edge showing, and I'm just going to work my way all the way around it. Now, I got several pieces of scraps, and I'm thinking I'm going to see if I can't get enough cut out of this scrap right here, because I hate to throw stuff away, and it's still good material. And I am going to make me a little ruffle just around this sleeve right here. So, and if I have enough left over, I'm not sure if I have a flower or not, then I might just cut it out and sew it on up here. But that just all depends on if I got enough material left. So, I am fixing to take it to my machine over here, and I'm fixing to run a little top stitch. There's my machine. I'm going to run a top stitch all the way around the bottom. I wish I had more lighting over here where this sewing machine's at. But anyway, what I'm fixing to do, I've got it under my machine. Put your needle down. You don't want to back stitch. And then I'm just going to run it all the way around. And I'm just using this hem. And what makes it good about this machine is these needles. I can pull this lever right here. Well, I don't know if you can see it. On this machine, and it'll move my needle to whichever side I'm working on or I need it best. So that's what I love about this machine. And let me get all the way around. Okay, so I'm all the way around at the other side. I've got quite a bit left, and all I've got to do is just cut it off right here, fold it under, and I'll be done with the bottom. Okay, so we got that on. And I think it looks really good. And I've got this much left. But unfortunately, I do not think it's going to be enough to go around both sleeves. So if I do it like that and match it, I don't know, maybe it will be. Maybe it will. I'm going to give it a shot and see if it will. Now, the only thing I don't like about this one right here, you can't see any of the flowers, but I guess that's okay because you know, it just goes all the way around. There's none on this side, so I guess it'll match. So I am going to do the same up here, like I did down here, and we'll look at it again. Okay, so I got them on the sleeves, and I've got it around the bottom. And I drug Sally B out, and I found a Christmas tree stand, and so I have sort of patched her for the time being, and I'm glad I can use her. Let me get you in a little closer to the hem. Alright, I put it on a stool so I could get it higher up so you could see what it's looking like so far. So, now I had this little piece right here, and I cut it out. It was what was on there. And I think I'm fixing to make a pocket out of it, and I'm fixing to stick it right there. Okay, since I went with this raw theme down through here with the raw edge, this surgical look, I think what I'm going to do instead of hemming this and pressing it, I am just going to put it on here like this right here, and I am just going to sew all three sides and just leave that top open. I thought about putting a little elastic on it to make it draw a little bit. I may do that, but I had one more. And I think I may put it up here somewhere, just as like a little decorative patch. And so I'm going to get that pinned on and sewed on. Okay, so I've got my pocket sewed on. And what I've done is I put just a little bit of elastic right there. You can see it through here. I put a little bit of elastic in there just to give it that little bitty gather, that little pucker look. And then on this side right here, I just added, I had enough, because most of them were just all cut out, so I didn't have whole flowers. But I did manage to find two, and so I cut me out another little square and just added my little flowers to that. So I got all that done. I don't think I've got enough to add one to the back, but there's the lace on the back, and there's my sleeves, and there's Sally B. So I think I might wear that to work tomorrow. I'll have a new shirt. Well, thank you for watching Frankie's DIY Life. Like I said, I'm Frankie. This is Sally B. I hope this inspired you to maybe try a little something on your own if you're thinking about it. And just get that sewing machine out and start sewing. Like I said, it's just thread. So if you don't like it, tear it out. Do something else. But anyway, it always makes you feel like you got a little something new to wear when you do something like this. So thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and that like button. And until next time, thanks for watching. I thought I'd try it on and show it to you, but I don't have any matching pants. But anyway, here it is.